Okay, yeah, I just wanted to, you know, show you this weird phenomena. Uh, I basically had a big laser printer toner disaster, and when I was trying to, I had a lot of toner in this bucket. I was trying to clean it out in the sink, but I noticed that basically when you do that, it grows back. So there's, obviously an example of a current of some kind um, pulling that toner, up with probably the surface tension or something. It's just interesting how it gets, sucked up the sides of that, the bucket there, just on the, just on the water that's wetting itself. It kind of shows you that it's interesting. It's almost like a current, actually is going in reverse, pulling stuff off the surface and bringing it up the sides of the bucket. And like I said, if it sits there for long enough, it gets even taller and taller. So I mean, all this stuff, so that's the water line, but then it quickly grows. And this phone sucks.